boot fully loaded and rear seats folded down, just to make sure I have enough space for everything that I needed to carry with me. Now, only one thing left. I had to pass by the fuel station just to make sure I have enough juice for my long trip. I must say, I'm really looking forward to this one. This is my first trip in the SQ5. Okay, let's go. And then I'll keep you posted on everything that I come across, fuel consumption, the ride, and everything like that. But so far, the car is riding quite nicely, comfortable. I cannot complain, really. It's quite nice, and I love how it performs at this point in time. So let's keep going. I'm taking a quick leg stretch here just to see how the car is loaded and how it's sitting on the road, because I left quite early in the morning, so I didn't get an opportunity to just have a look at it. So as you can see, it looks like it's a lowered car, but it's because of everything that I've loaded. So let's keep going and see how it performs. So far, I'm enjoying the trip, and I love how the car performs. And Montrose is fully packed, as can be expected, because this is the holiday season and everybody is traveling down to the coast and other different destinations as well. So we also going to stop here and see if we can get a bite, but it's quite packed. So let's grab a bite and then see from there how long it's going to take us until our off ramp. There are cars everywhere. It's quite packed at this point, and really I cannot complain because everybody's traveling, everyone is excited for the December holidays. So let's get back on the car and then keep pushing. We have a long way ahead of us. I'm just admiring the beauty of our country at this point. Very nice. I love the mountains. Look at the villages down there. I really am enjoying this trip, and the SQ5 is definitely performing as expected. The hotter it gets, the faster it goes, and it actually uses less and less fuel now because I've been driving for way over 5-6 hours. And I like the fact that with so much load or so much stuff at the back, the car really performs really well, and it doesn't really feel like I'm carrying a lot of stuff. Yes, when I'm overtaking and when I'm braking, then I can feel that there's a lot of load that I'm carrying, but it's nothing that the SQ5 cannot handle really. I'm really enjoying the drive. The car is fine. I cannot complain. At this point, the drive is amazing. The weather is beautiful. I really, really am enjoying this trip. And again, looking at the villages, looking at the mountains, beautiful. I must say, I really, really needed this trip. I really needed this drive. I'm really enjoying this car at this point. I mean, the fact that it's first road trip, long trip. I've never done any long trip on this car since I've owned it. So this is the first one, and I'm definitely putting it to the test just to see how it performs, fuel consumption, on the long road. How is it in terms of comfort and everything else? Overall, so far, I must say I'm happy. I cannot complain really. The car is doing what it's supposed to be doing. This car is really, really nice. I mean, now that I've parked just to admire and have a look at it, it looks like it's sitting on lowering springs just because of the weight, everything that I've loaded. And just to pan and show you the beauty of our country. I love the Drakensberg Mountains in the far back, and I really, really love this road. It's such a beautiful area, such a beautiful environment to be driving in. I really, really am enjoying my trip at this point in time. Okay, home stretch, last stretch. Yes, there are roadworks here, but this is the last stretch to get to my hometown. And on the far right, I'm sure you can see there's a bit of cloud that's coming together. And actually, there is rain on the right hand side. And I'm a little bit worried because our area is known for a lot of rain and a lot of hail. So I'm gonna keep going, and hopefully it won't be as serious. So let's keep going and see how far we get. Yes, hail. The cloud that I saw was really serious, and I'm at Citaville now, and it's actually coming down. There's a lot of hail, as you can see, and lucky enough there was a petrol station on the right hand side, and I quickly drove in there. Yeah, I was not looking forward to this because these cars are not the strongest, especially the SQ5. And yeah, everybody's here. We're trying to hide and save our cars. Lucky enough, there's a rainbow at the end of every rain, so it looks like it's over and we can keep going. And I'm finally here, my hometown. It's been a long day. I've gone through a lot, beautiful mountains. I went through hail, I went through rainbows, I went through a lot, but I'm finally here, my hometown. There's a sign, here we are finally here. SQ5 has delivered. I made it, we made it safely, no issues. The car is intact with all the load and everything. I'm quite happy at this point. It was a beautiful drive overall. I cannot complain. The car really performed, really delivered with everything that I put it through. And yes, we are here. Matatiele, there's a sign welcoming you, welcoming me, welcoming us. And fuel-wise as well, I didn't do so bad. Looking at that, I still have 110 kilometers of range left, and I've done 801 kilometers in total. 6.7, that's really not bad. As you can see, 10.35 hours of driving. That was hectic, but yes, that is done. Now I've just left town and now I'm on my way home. So let's keep going and see how the car performs. Hopefully, we'll get home in one piece. Finally, I'm here. Long trip from Johannesburg to Eastern Cape Matatiele. I'm here. I've made it with my SQ5, and it was a long trip. And the car is here with no scratches. It was able to withstand the gravel and all the terrible roads, but we finally here. We made it. I'm happy. No issues really on the car. Fuel, I only used one tank from Joburg to here. And over and above that, really, tires are good. The car is okay, no issues. I'm happy. It was a long drive, about 835 kilometers to be specific, in one tank. So that's the beauty of an SQ5. And behind me, you'll see beautiful landscapes. I mean, look at the different villages. You'll see the mountains. And all these are Drakensberg Mountains behind me. I've got two sisters, I've got three sisters. Specifically, the three sisters, it's a landmark. This is where I come from. This is my birthplace. I was born here, grew up, did everything here. So I love this place. This is home. When I'm here, I'm at home. Love it. I'm happy. I hope you guys enjoyed the trip. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Click on that bell to be notified as soon as a new video goes live. And I'll catch you in the next one.